What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Careless Kingdom. Today we're here with the Tonnerrey T8, and I'm going to show you how to unlock this to get the most power you can out of it.
Spend my days doing nothing. Tell that shit. When I could do something. Tell that shit.
Before we do that, let's take it for a little ride as it is and see how fast we can get it, and then we'll compare that with it unlocked. So it might be hard for you to see the speedometer because we're going to go into the sun, but I'll let you know in this stretch how fast we get, and then we'll do it again and see if unlocking it makes any difference. So as of right now, nice and smooth, take off, 112, 13, no pedaling. This is just the speedometer, or just the throttle. 18. This is flat land. We're not going up a hill or anything. 19. We're still gaining. We're at 20. And that's about where it drops off, is right at 20. So now let's pull over. Get in the shade so we can unlock this thing. We'll see what it can do unlocked. Unlocked should give us more power overall, so that should be nice. Yes, I don't know if it's unlocked or not. The instructions they sent weren't very clear. Now it's only doing 28 like that, when it was doing like 40 like that. So let's say it's locked now. Okay, let's try this again. Let's hold down power while having that out. Or not hold down power, just hold it for a second. Let's see if that unlocked it. Yeah, there you go. So that's how you unlock it, guys. You hold down the throttle, you press the power button until it comes on, give it like 20-30 seconds, and then you're unlocked. So we're unlocked now. You can see earlier it was only doing like 28 throttle. Now it's doing full power, 40. So now it's unlocked. Does that mean it will go any faster for us? Maybe not. But I'm a heavy guy, so let's take it for a spin now that we know for sure it's unlocked. And I guess that's the best way to tell if it's unlocked. Just lift up your back tire and see what it does. It don't feel any more powerful though, but I guess it ain't got much power in the first place, so it's kind of hard to tell. Let's see, because it's scooting. We're at 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. We actually might get up to 21 this time. 21. So yeah, I mean, it's giving us more this time. It's almost 22. It's not like slowing down on us like it was. So that's good. It's a very chill experience. I'll say that, for lack of a better term. It's definitely one you gotta stay out of people's way. I feel like if we had the dual motor, we'd be able to keep up with traffic and stuff like that, but this guy just ain't gonna do it. There we go, 22. Let's see if we can get top speed of it. 23, 24. Looks like 24 is about all she got. Back down to 22 now. So guys, it's definitely not a fast bike by any means. It's a pretty slow bike, to be honest with you. But it's a bike, you know? It's a bike that's meant to be a bike. It's not a bike that's meant to be anything much else than that. It's not a speedster or anything like that. It's not the big old dual motor. Nothing crazy. It's a 52 volt system. And honestly, it's slower than other 52 volts that I've rode, but it's also a whole lot less expensive than other 52 volts I've rode. Do I think this would be a good bike to pick up? Definitely. If you're on a budget, you can't afford a $1,200, $1,300 bike, then this would be a fun bike for you. It's going to get you around just fine. If you could afford more, get more. I'll definitely say that. I would have loved to have had the dual motor to see what it would do for me. I feel like we'd have a much better time on it. But I will say there's a lot of states now, including my own, that are putting a lot of regulations on e-bikes. And with that being said, a bike like this meets all those regulations. It's not too fast. You pedal with it to make it go. And I mean, shit, we're full throttle right now going 19 miles per hour. If we pedal with it, do we go any faster? No, we're still going 19 miles per hour. So if you're 260 pounds, that's what you can expect out of this bike, is 18, 19 miles per hour, which I'll be honest with you, isn't great. It's not great at all. We got some dogs up here. They're gonna try to bite us. Only one way to find out. Nope. So we're on gear back down because we're gonna be going over a hill here. We're definitely gonna have to use a good bit of pedal power to get over this hill, if we even can. Okay, so we don't have a car coming. Let's see if we can make it over this. Oh, I'm putting all my weight into it to get it up there. But we made it. Now we use a nice Shimano gear shifter. Go back down. Yeah, back to 19 miles per hour. So this is unlocked. As you've seen, we did the unlock process. And the most we're getting out of it is 19 miles per hour. Now, I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with this one, or that's just how it's supposed to be. But I'll be honest with you, it's pretty disappointing. My juice scrambler, which was also a 52 volt system, 750 watt motor, with a peak outage of, I think, 1500 watts, which I believe this is what this is supposed to be as well. It did tremendously better. And I don't know if that's just because it had better controllers or exactly what it was, maybe a better motor. But yeah, it's basically what we're looking at here. It's a nice motorcycle. But again, guys, big guy. I would say little bike, but it's not a little bike. It's a pretty big bike. It's a big guy, pretty big bike, and yeah, it just ain't got the juice. And we're pedaling with it. We're going 18 miles per hour. It's really slow. But again, I will say for the price, and especially if you're a kid or somebody a lot lighter than me, maybe like 160, you might be able to squeeze, you know, the 27 miles per hour out of it. It's like right now we're on flat ground. I'm going 20 miles per hour, but that's as much as this thing's giving me. I would do like a draggy test and stuff and show y'all how fast this thing goes and all, but it's just not quick enough. I mean, as you can see there, what we're going to do 0 to 20 in 30 seconds. But I will say, any bike with a motor is better than a bike without one. So if you're currently on a bike with no motor, you got $600 to spend. This would probably be a good bike for you. Especially just going around town here, like on these flat parts. I mean, it does fine. It just doesn't meet the advertised speed, and it's not going to meet the advertised range. I know that for sure. I mean, shoot, even the battery, as you see in my last video, said 60 volt system, when we know for sure it's a 52 volt system. So I really don't know what to think about this one. I know it's a cool little bike though. It's got big old fat tires on it. It's got a solid frame. It's got a back seat on it, but I don't know how you'd want to put somebody on the back of this thing. But yeah, I mean, we're going up the slightest of incline right now, full throttle, unlocked, 15 miles per hour. It's not a good time, guys. Anyways, let's get across the street here. Now this is an actual hill. If I wasn't pedaling with it, we wouldn't be going anywhere at all. And we're barely going anywhere as it is. But I mean, I hate to say it, especially when I get, you know, stuff in to do reviews on. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all and tell you something's amazing when it's not. And this just isn't. I mean, you buy a moped-style e-bike, you expect to ride it like a moped-style e-bike, right? You don't expect to have to pedal up every hill and stuff like that. And the speed I could deal with. 15, 16, 20 miles per hour, I could deal with that. But what I can't deal with is these hills and not being able to go up them. But we got a little speed for this one. This is one we had to stop one last time. I am giving it everything I got. Okay, we just barely made it. Anyways, guys, that's unlocking your Tonnerrey T8. If you're a much smaller person than me, you might have a much better time with this bike. But if you're a bigger guy, or an adult really, at least go with their dual motor. Don't get this. You're gonna be disappointed. But with that being said, this is Careless Kingdom. I'm Jesse. This is the T8, and peace for now.
Spend my days doing nothing. Tell that shit. When I could do something. Tell that shit. But I don't wanna fucking be here. Tell that shit. But I don't wanna fucking be there. Tell that shit. But I think I gotta get out of here. I could change my fucking life with a new atmosphere. Tell that shit.